my friends, I'm Yuki from Japan's Logistics. Do you feel that sourcing or selling Chinese goods to Saudi Arabia is complicated? Do you lack a professional team to help you transport your goods? Are you always unable to find a suitable transport solution? These are not problems. We can help you solve them. Please be patient and watch what follows. It will give you something to learn. If you like my video content, please subscribe. We will be sharing useful knowledge and promoting more offers for you occasionally. Saudi Arabia is known to be one of the world's high-income economies. It has policies of free trade and no tariffs. This is highly desirable to many foreign trade entrepreneurs. China is Saudi Arabia's largest trading partner. It often imports Chinese machines and equipment, foodstuffs, and textiles. However, due to customs restrictions, it is not easy to have Chinese goods delivered smoothly, and not all goods from China can enter Saudi Arabia. Neither do all transport forwarders have the capacity to ship cargoes to Saudi Arabia. Fortunately, transporting goods to Saudi Arabia is our forte. Our company was established in 2010 and is located in Guangzhou, one of China's trading hubs. We have 20 years of export experience, and every month we load more than 30 containers and send more than 6 tons of cargo to the airport. We offer a one-stop service from warehouse to door with double clearance and tax. Just hand over the goods to us and they will be delivered to any corner of Saudi Arabia they want in no time. In particular, we accept food containers, groupages, and small parcels, whether by sea or air. If you choose sea fridge, it only takes about 35 days to complete the shipment. If you choose air fridge, it will only take about 5 days to arrive with a higher safety margin. Whether by sea or air, we have had several discounts as an appreciation of our customers' support, with united price reduced by nearly $20 in a month. Surely, as for Survive, we have enthusiastic customers manager to answer any questions you may have. We have professional staff to escort your goods, and we have a perfect logic system for checking your goods. When you have no idea how to choose a transport solution, we will give you the best advice. When you think the price is too expensive, we can discuss it again, or you want, we try our best for it. You have made the right decision when you choose us. We will be sure to take responsibility for the goods to the end. Good reviews never change, but good price won't always be available. Hurry up, scan the code, and contact us. We're looking forward to hear from you.